All right, you have a website or you have a script and you don't know the password, like you don't have the admin password or you don't know the admin password, but you have access to the database. Now, I have just discovered how you can actually decrypt, de-encrypt the password so that you can actually know your password. Now, you need access to your database. If you can access the database, then everything is very easy. Now, this is a script I installed, and I have been finding way to actually log in the admin, but I have tried a couple of passwords I can remember, but no way. So in fact, I have spent 2 days trying to de-encrypt this password so that I can log into the dashboard. But trust me, finally I actually got a way to actually log in. Yeah, now so I'm going to carry you through step-by-step way on how you can actually recover your password. Now, if you check this very site, admin dashboard here, there is no forgotten password. So how will I actually change this password or get to know this password has become a problem. But don't worry, if you find yourself with this issue, I have a solution for you. So if you have a script or you have a site and you've forgotten your password, you've tried all means. Now, most of these passwords are encrypted with SHA-1. Now we have MD5, we have SHA-1, we have SHA-35, as the case may be. But this very one is, encrypted with SHA-1. Now, if you go to the database, you see the encryption here. So even if you copy this encryption and you try to log in, it will tell you, it's not working. So how do you now do it? So what you need to do is come to this site. Come to this site, Bcrypt generator. Now come to this site, Bcrypt generator. Like I said, if you can have access to the database, this is the initial password, but I don't have the MD5 version of this password, but I want to generate a SHA password to replace this. So come to here and type in the password you want to use. So in my case, I actually use this very password. Once you use this very password, all you need to do is generate the hash. And if you generate the hash, you see that it's going to convert it to SHA-1. Double click on the password and just replace it. Now, once you replace it, go back to that admin. So let me try and log in. All right, so I have just logged it. See, I am very happy because I have tried all night to actually, decrypt this password so that I can check the admin dashboard. Now, this script is awesome. So let me just even show you the front end of this script. It is awesome. It is awesome. So if you need this script, just let me know. Just let me know. Power bank. Let me just go back and show you how this very script look like. Okay, this is the script just for your mobile, for your task. If you need a script for task, maybe you want people to be, if you need a script for task, then this script is for you. It is mobile script. All you need to do, just send me a message and I will give you the script. So this is how you actually decrypt and access your admin dashboard. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please smash the subscribe button and subscribe so that you don't miss out from my next video. I create amazing videos that you will love. I'll see you in my next video.